Right, here we are again. Next part. Continue remelting these. See how these smaller bars look first. That one's not so bad. Yeah, that come out nice. I think I'll keep that. Yeah, that's a nice bar. Try a bigger one. See what that come out. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. I will definitely be doing more of these little smaller ones. They come out very nice and uniform. Back to this big one. It'd be much better if I had my propane. It's a very good heat sink, the size of this bar, due to it being nearly a pound, well, over a pound. Phone gets fried. Ooh, wobbly. Still not liquid all the way down. There's so much crud on the top. That's going to definitely be skimmed. Look at that. All that dross. Very nasty. Ooh. Not so pure bad after all. There are some impurities, look at that. It's not melting at the same speed as the rest of the lead. Liquid most of the way down now, I can feel it. Yeah, that's liquid all the way down. I think I'll give it a last bit of heat. See if I can skim off that. That's all I do. I don't really want these bits on the top of my bar. ugly. Quite a bit of dross there. Ugh. Thanks. I'll let that cool now. Like a mirror at the moment. Very nice. Collect some of these smaller bits and put them in the crucible for remelting. And this dross, that'll need to collect that and put that aside. Ooh, lovely. I'll need to heat that again some, as usual. Should produce a nice uniform bar now though. Ooh. So, last of this gas, this nearly empty tank on the crucible.